So today we are going to study letter E words. So A words we have already finished. What you need to
Okay.
do is you need to revise the A words for tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to take your test of all the A words with the meanings.
Okay, done.
Fine. We go on towards the next slide, which is eager, ig. Eager. This is E, G,
Eager.
ig. Okay, how we read it? Egg. Stop writing. I will read it first. You listen, and then I will give you time to write. Right? E g egg. Egg.
Eager. Egg.
Egg. Big.
Okay.
Egg. Fig. Egg. Pig. Egg. Wig. Egg. Dig. Start reading.
Uh, uh,
Eager.
I
Eager.
eager. Egg.
Very good.
Egg. Egg. Big.
Yes.
Egg. Fig. Egg. Pig. Egg. Wig. Egg. Dig.
Okay, very good. Great job. Now, quickly write down these words in your register, whatever you're having, and then I will give you the meanings of it.
Done.
Okay. Big means बड़ा, ठीक है?
Done.
Fig means अंजीर, ड्राई फ्रूट को कहते हैं. अंजीर होती है, उसको कहते हैं फिग.
Okay.
पिग कहते हैं एनिमल को.
Animal.
विग कहते हैं हेयर विग, हेयर एक्सटेंशंस जो होती हैं विग, नकली बाल.
Hair extensions.
डिग कहते हैं खोदने को. राइट? गॉट इट?
Yes.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Now we'll do the review page. You already know how to do the review page. You read without sounds. Okay. Read it without the sounds.
Big. Fig. Pig. Wig. Dig.
Great job. What is the meaning of big?
Big means bada.
Fig.
Fig means anjeer.
Pig.
Pig. Animal.
Wig.
Hair extension.
Dig.
Khodna.
Very good. Great job. Now we come up to the story. Read the title of the story and start reading the story. Don't forget the meaning of full stop, comma, and exclamation mark. Don't forget to give your expressions. Right? Let's start reading quickly.
Pig. Big pig.
No. Whenever we start a story, we read the title of the story.
Yeah. Big pig.
Great job.
Yeah. Pig. Pig is big.
Great job.
Pig can dig. Dig, dig, dig.
Great job. Okay. So what is the title of the story?
Big pig.
Big pig. How many characters you can see on the first page?
Only one.
Only one character. What is the character doing in the first picture?
He's just doing digging.
In the first picture. First picture.
In the first picture, he's standing with the I don't know how to say it.
Okay, forget that. He's just standing and taking the position, right?
Yeah.
He's doing no action over there. He's just standing. So that is the reason the writer is introducing the character in the first picture. So it's already written pig. That's it. Next pictures, we are going to see the actions. Now, next picture, second picture.
Pig is big.
Pig is big. ठीक है. Big के हमने meaning की है बड़ा. Pig is an animal. What do you understand by the sentence?
Pig is a big animal.
Very good. He's a big animal, right? Now, in the third picture,
Pig can dig.
pig can dig. Dig meaning? क्या था dig का meaning?
खोदना.
खोदना. Pig animal. Pig can dig. तो क्या meaning बना इसका?
Pig ने खोदना शुरू कर दिया.
Pig started digging.
Yeah.
Present action. Started digging. ठीक है?
Pig. Yeah.
Fourth picture.
Dig, dig, dig. It means that uh, pig जो है वो खोदे जा रहा है बस.
Very good. Great job. And just give me. Okay. What is he using this? You said you don't know the name. This is shovel. Shovel. बेलचे
Shovel.
shovel कहते हैं.
Spelling क्या है इसके? SH.
OVEL.
Shovel.
Got it?
Got.
उसके आगे लिख दो बेलचा.
बेलचा लिख दिया मैं.
ठीक है.
बना
Okay.
भी दिया.
Fine. We move on towards the next page.
Cat. Cat. Cat can dig. Dig, dig, dig. Pig and cat can dig.
Great job. What do you understand in the fifth picture?
Cat is standing alone.
I'm sorry. Just a second. ये खुद ही open हो जाता है. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Fifth picture. What?
Cat is standing.
What is the expression of the cat?
She's excited.
Very good. So you also see the character's face, that they are excited, they're sad, they're happy. You can guess the character, right? So cat is excited. Why? Because she also has to do what?
Digging.
Very good. So she's excited for the digging. So in the next picture, 6.
Cat can dig. Can
So cat,
started. Cat started digging.
no, she hasn't started digging. Cat can dig. Cat dig कर सकती है. Can dig
Okay.
कर सकती है, right? तो वहां पे सिर्फ सोच रही है वो कि I can dig, I can do this, I can do that, right? हम बोलते हैं ना, I can win the match, I can do my test. So cat can dig. वो अपने आप को खुद ही मोटिवेशन दे रही है, right? Seventh picture.
Dig, dig, dig.
dig dig dig. So seventh picture verb हो रहा है, action हो रहा है. Action लिया उसने seventh picture में. क्या ले रही है action? Cat is?
Start digging.
Cat has started digging. Has started digging. Okay.
Has.
And eighth picture.
Pig and cat can dig.
Can dig. So what do you understand this by this?
They both are digging.
Very good. Excellent. Great job. So now tell me the overall story, that what you have understood from the story, and how many total characters are there in the story?
We have 2 characters in our story.
What are their names?
Cat and pig.
Very good. Great job. Now, what are they doing in the story?
Digging.
They both are digging. So were they
They
both
both are
excited
digging.
or sad?
They both are excited.
Very good. Great job. Let's move on towards the next image. Now we have the e, the, id words. E, the, id, right? Id.
E, the, id. Okay.
Okay, अब मैं पढ़ूंगी, सिर्फ तुमने सुनना है, right? Then we exchange. Id, id, bid, id, hid, id, kid, id, did, id, lid, id, rid. Got it? Can you read it now?
Id, id.
Great job.
It.
Great job.
It, bid.
Great job.
Ha, id, hid.
Not ha.
Ka,
Her, hid.
id, hid. Ka, it, kid. Da, it, did. La, it,
No.
lit. Illid, lit.
Illid.
Lid, lid. It, red.
Great job. So can you read it again? It's not ha, it's her. It's not ka, it's ka. It's not da, it's d. थोड़ी नजाकत है,
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
जैसे I'll read it again, listen to it once more time. Sorry, मेरा गला खराब है, बार बार आवाज चेंज हो रही है. Id, 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 bid, id, id, hid,
He
id, kid, id, did, id, lid, id, rid. Read it now.
okay. It, it, bit, it, hid, it, kid, it, did, it, lid, it, read.
Quickly write down the words in your register. I'll give you the meanings.
Done. लिख लिया मैंने.
लिखे मैं ऑलरेडी. ओके. बिड इज बोली लगाना. किसी चीज पे बोली लगाते हैं ना, उसको बिड.
सही है.
ठीक है.
सही है. Done.
हिड इज हाइड, छुपना. हिड, हाइड,
Done.
छुपना. किड इज बच्चा.
Did.
डिड किया, आई डिड दिस. लिड इज कैप ऑफ बॉटल. बताया था, बॉटल कैप जो होता है, लिड वो होता है. रिड इज टू गेट रिड ऑफ समथिंग, किसी से जान छुड़ाना. रिड, जान छुड़ाना.
Like cap of, not cap of bottle, but cap of jar, like.
Cap of jar,
Lid.
excellent. Cap of jar is the lid.
Rid.
Rid, जान छुड़ाना. To get rid of
Okay.
something.
Done.
Fine. So we still have time. We move on to. Okay. मैं एक बार meaning पूछ लेती हूँ. Bid. What is the meaning of bid?
Bid, बोली लगाना.
देख के बोल रहे हो without seeing?
नहीं नहीं, याद हो गया.
Okay. Bid.
Bid, बोली लगाना.
Hid.
Hid, छुपना.
Kid.
बच्चा.
Did.
किया.
Lid.
Lid. Yeah, the cover of jar.
Very good. Rid.
Rid, जान छुड़ाना.
Very good. Excellent. Now we move here. मैं इसके meaning दोबारा से repeat कर लेती हूँ. We have 10 minutes, so I go for the revision. Fine. Big.
Pick, fig, pig,
नहीं, big
wig.
का meaning.
Okay. Big, बड़ा. Fig,
Fig.
अंजीर. Fig, अंजीर.
Yes. Then.
Pig, animal.
Very
Wig, hair extension. Dig, खोदना.
good. Excellent. Great job. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to switch on the just a second. Stop screen sharing. मैं यहाँ पे white board on कर रही हूँ. So white board पे हम words लिखेंगे. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now write the word wig. Wig.
Just a minute. Wig. Done.
Great job. Fig.
Fig.
Big.
Big.
Lid. नहीं, नीचे लिख रहे, मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा. ऊपर लिखो. नेक्स्ट रो में आके ऊपर लिखो.
Lid.
Kid.
Kid.
And the last word is hid. Great job.